Welcome to GeoVenture. If you enjoy this journey, please like and subscribe. In the heart of South America lies a world teeming with life, so vast and complex that it breathes for our entire planet. A single tree here in the Amazon can release over 200 gallons of water into the atmosphere each day, a colossal living fountain. This forest, a sprawling emerald sea, is home to 1 in 10 known species on Earth. It is a realm of superlatives, a place of profound mystery and astonishing scale, yet it is also a place of great fragility. How is it possible for one single ecosystem to hold such sway over our global climate? What secrets are held within its dense, unexplored canopy? What undiscovered life forms await our gaze? We often hear of the Amazon in terms of loss and destruction, but what of the life that persists, that thrives against all odds? What ancient knowledge do its human inhabitants possess? Join me as we journey deep into the Amazon rainforest. We will uncover its unparalleled biodiversity. To comprehend the Amazon is, first, to grapple with its sheer, almost unimaginable size. If it were a country, it would be the 9th largest in the world. It sprawls across 9 nations, a green heart pumping lifeblood through a continent. Covering over 2 million square miles, it contains more than half of the planet's remaining tropical rainforests. Stretching from the Andes Mountains in the west to the Atlantic Ocean in the east, a distance greater than that between London and Moscow. This colossal scale is not merely a geographical curiosity. It is the very foundation of the Amazon's global importance. The forest is so vast that it generates its own weather patterns. Each day, billions upon billions of trees draw water from the soil and release it into the air through a process called transpiration. This immense volume of water vapor forms clouds that can travel thousands of miles, influencing rainfall patterns across South America and even as far away as North America. The Amazon is a living engine, a biological machine operating on a continental scale. To stand at its edge is to feel humbled. It poses a fundamental question. How can one single forest, however large, hold such profound influence over the entire planet? The answer lies in its intricate, interwoven systems, a symphony of life playing out on a scale that defies easy comprehension. If the Amazon's scale is its foundation, then its biodiversity is its crown jewel. This single forest is a sanctuary for an astonishing proportion of Earth's living things. It is estimated that 1 in every 10 known species on our planet calls the Amazon home. The numbers are simply staggering. At least 40,000 plant species, 3,000 species of freshwater fish, more than 2.5 million species of insects. Here, you will find the jaguar. Sloths move with a zen-like slowness. And in the rivers swim the boto, or Amazon river dolphin. Their colors are not pigment, but intricate microscopic structures that manipulate light itself. For millennia, this forest has not been an untouched wilderness, but a home. Long before the first European explorers arrived, the Amazon was inhabited by a rich diversity of human cultures. Today, around 400 distinct indigenous groups still call the Amazon home. They have also found extensive areas of terra preta, a remarkably fertile, man-made soil. These are the original guardians of the forest, the keepers of an ancient, ancestral knowledge. Today, indigenous leaders are at the forefront of the fight to protect the Amazon, combining their traditional knowledge with modern technology. The areas of the Amazon that are best preserved today are, by and large, those that are legally designated as indigenous territories. Their respectful, reciprocal relationship with the natural world offers a powerful alternative to the destructive, extractive model. It is a lesson in sustainability that the modern world desperately needs to learn. We should really pay attention. Chapter 4. The lifeblood of the Amazon is water. It is defined by the greatest river system on Earth. The Amazon River itself is a staggering artery of fresh water, carrying more volume than the next 7 largest rivers combined. It discharges so much water into the Atlantic that more than 100 miles out to sea, one can still drink fresh water from the ocean's surface. Each year, the flood pulse. They spill over their banks, inundating millions of acres of forest. Fish swim among the submerged tree trunks, feeding on fruits and seeds that fall directly into the water. The forest creates its own rainfall through a phenomenon now known as flying rivers. This moisture forms a massive, invisible river in the sky. When this massive current hits the wall of the Andes Mountains, it is forced upwards, cools, and releases torrential rainfall. It is a perfect, self-sustaining loop. Chapter 5. Beyond its incredible biodiversity and its continental water cycle, the Amazon plays another role for our planet. It acts as a colossal carbon sink, a vital regulator of the Earth's climate. The wood, leaves, soil of the Amazon currently store an estimated 150 to 200 billion metric tons of carbon. Through photosynthesis, they pull CO2 from the atmosphere, use the carbon to build their own trunks, branches, roots, and release life-giving oxygen back into the air. But this vital service is now under threat. Logging are releasing this vast store of carbon back into the atmosphere. This creates a terrifying feedback loop. As the global climate warms, the Amazon itself becomes more stressed. The planetary thermostat would be broken. The story of the Amazon in the 21st century is a story of immense pressure, you know. The forest is being assailed on multiple fronts, with the primary threat being deforestation. Particularly, the clearing of land for cattle ranching and soy cultivation, fires, are a growing menace. Illegal gold mining uses toxic mercury. This mercury pollutes the rivers, poisoning fish and the people who depend on them for food. Even green consumer trends can have unintended negative consequences if not managed carefully. The forest cannot simply grow back. Scientists warn that if deforestation surpasses, we could trigger a dieback cascade. The consequences of this loss extend far beyond the Amazon's borders. Consider the poison dart frog. Poison dart.
I'm toxic, seriously.
The harpy eagle reigns supreme. In the murky waters, the Amazon River dolphin navigates using echolocation. The colony is a superorganism, all working for the good of the whole. Across the basin, a growing coalition of people is fighting to protect this vital ecosystem. When indigenous communities have legal control, deforestation rates are significantly lower. We can vote with our wallets. If this journey has moved you, please consider liking this video, subscribing to GeoVenture, and sharing this with others. The forest breathes for us. Now we must act for it.